Happy Monday, guys, and good morning. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II, but you can call me Greg. It's a lot shorter. And now that we got the introductions out of the way, let's get started. Today, I'm going to share with you guys another previous adventure that I had yesterday at New Bethel Baptist Church. But one thing I will say, when it comes to camera operating at New Bethel Baptist Church, guys, there's never a dull moment there. I'll definitely tell you guys that. Well, you know what, rather than me just sit here and just gab and talk about it, let me show you from earlier yesterday. Okay guys, so I just made my way here at New Bethel Baptist Church. Right now I'm in the sanctuary, just taking a minute just to chill for a little bit. And as you can see behind me, it is currently quiet in here. Very peaceful. And as always, it's great to continue being a member here at New Bethel. But things will definitely get better in the near future, even after this COVID, of course. All right, so we're going to start this day off by setting off everything that we need from the monitors and the camera and anything else we need for the 11 a.m. service today. So stick with me, guys. You see how this whole adventure continues. Okay guys, so as this adventure is continuing on, I just made my way downstairs here in the audio-visual room where I have just turned on everything here on the monitors for the broadcasting live of the 11 a.m. service. This place, it never gets old. Right, so we're going to continue on with this adventure, guys, but stick with me and see how this whole adventure continues. Alright guys, so we have everything all ready to go. The monitors are up, the cameras are all set, and we got the majority of the team members here. One of which is Sarah here. She's currently working on the slides, and while the rest are currently getting into their positions. So if you'll excuse us guys, we are about to get started. So I'll see you all after the 11 a.m. service. Okay guys, so we just got finished with the 11 a.m. service. Right now I am just downstairs here in the audio-visual room where, as you can see, we have just turned off everything from the monitors and as well as the cameras after the live broadcasting. I gotta say, today was definitely a great service. But as always, never a dull moment at New Bethel Baptist Church. And I look forward to more adventures with them in the near future. Alright, so I'm gonna just hang for a bit and then I'm gonna head out. But stick with me guys, see how this whole adventure goes. And once again guys, that was a very successful day at New Bethel Baptist Church. As I said before guys, never truly a dull moment, especially at that church. But still, it's absolutely an honor and a blessing to continue on using my talents to serve with the community at New Bethel. And I definitely look forward to more adventures in the near future with the church. Before I go guys, I would also like to acknowledge Happy Memorial Day. Definitely a day to remember. On this day, I take this time just to remember my father and my brother. They may be gone, but they will always be in my heart. And I continue on with these adventure vlogs in their honor. And I'm going to keep on going, no matter what. So guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on another adventure. I hope you all have a wonderful week, as well as a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, go on down below and click on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on that subscribe button. We'll get started. So until next time, guys, remember, imagination, memories, forever on film. So until next time, guys, have a wonderful week. And happy Memorial Day, everybody. Take care.